Did you know that you can sell digital products on Amazon KDP without any shipping needed? Yes, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sell digital products on Amazon KDP. You can sell journals, you can sell planners, you can sell storybooks, you can sell so many digital products on Amazon KDP. I'm going to walk you step by step. Let's get into the video. Do you want to start selling digital products but don't know how? I've made a free guide that you can go ahead and download. I'll leave the link in the description below. It walks you step by step on how you can start your digital product business even as a beginner. So as I've told you, that you can use Amazon KDP to sell your digital products. Yes, you can use Amazon KDP to sell your digital products, and not so many people know this because people don't usually talk about Amazon KDP for selling digital products. But how this works, this is what I'm going to walk you step by step. Yes, people think that, oh, Amazon creates books, but these books is they are digital products that you have created, then Amazon will turn it into books themselves. You don't have to turn the book or your digital product into a physical book. That is what Amazon does. But I'm going to walk you step by step on how this really works. Yes, so the first question you should ask yourself, what is Amazon KDP? As I always emphasize that before you start anything, first research and know what am I getting into. Yes, you walk into something when you are having knowledge about that thing that you are going to create. It's going to help you and it's going to set you on a higher level and a standard apart from those people who will go do something because they had something once, they will just go and dive in. Those are the mistakes that I did before. I could not do research. If I see anything online, I'll just go ahead, start doing it with a lot of confusion and I'll end nowhere. Yes, so the first question is you should ask, what is Amazon KDP? And that is what we are going to answer first before we go into how you can use it to sell your digital product. So Amazon KDP is part of Amazon, but this one is for publishing. Yes, and what this helps you, it helps you to publish books like low content books, high content books, and medium content books. What I mean, like low content books, these are books which don't have so many things inside. Maybe they are line journals, yes, things like that. Then there is high content books, books which have a lot of writings, books that are written by those people who are expert in a certain thing. Maybe like doctors, they will write a book maybe about something, or people who have been into a field for a certain time, so they want to put their knowledge into one book. And there are also what is called medium content books. Yes, so when you're starting out, I advise you to start with low content books and medium content books. Yes, so now you know what Amazon KDP is. It helps you to publish all these types of books, or you can call them digital products, because you are going to create these digital products and you as I'm going to walk you step by step, you put them on Amazon, then Amazon will turn them into a physical book and ship it to a person, or you can still sell it as an ebook, as a digital product. Yes, you're only what you're supposed to do is to create, then publish it on Amazon. So when we come to step three is knowing the types of books that you can create. As I've already told you, can create things like journals, and journals, those are ones which have a lot of lines, little text inside. Maybe you can put in prompts, and there are people who still create journals which only have lines, nothing much more. You can also create planners and still sell them on Amazon. You can create maybe planners for moms, for women, for children, and you can also create coloring books. Yes, how you can create coloring books on Amazon, and I love that. You can also create activity books, and Amazon will print them and ship them out to your customers. For example, maybe you are in Kenya, you are in Tanzania, you are in Africa, you are in Libya, you are in India, you are in USA. Yes, you can still do this business. It doesn't matter as long as you can access Amazon where you are. So you can sign up and you can still do this. So for those of you who are wondering, can I do this if I'm not in the US? You can still do it. I'm doing it. I'm publishing on Amazon, but I'm not in the USA. Yes. So those are the types of books that you are going to create on Amazon, and so many more. As I've told you, you can still create high content books or medium content books. So if you have any knowledge that is so high that you want to put in a book, you can still create that. Then what you are going to do, the next step is to prepare your book. So how do you prepare your book since you want to publish now on Amazon? Yes, because why I like Amazon, Amazon you can start for free. You don't have to pay any cost starting. What you need to do is just create a product. Yes, and as long as you can market it using free social medias, it will still bring you money, because Amazon is a such is a shopping place, like a marketplace. People go there to buy. Yes, so maybe if you are confusing Amazon and Amazon KDP, it's one company. So if you publish your book in KDP, it will be listed on Amazon, so people will see it. Yes, for example, if we come here, let me show you an example. So, for example, if we come here, all of these books you see here, they were published on Amazon KDP. And when you publish your book on Amazon KDP, your book will be listed on Amazon.com. It will be listed on Amazon US, Amazon UK. So it depends if you want your book to go in all of these marketplaces. It can be even listed in Amazon Canada. Actually, most of people who buy my books that or I list on Amazon KDP or my digital products, they are from Canada. Yes, so you can list your book on Amazon and it will be bought by people from Canada, different nations. Yes, so these are all books that you can see here on Amazon, and they are created by people like you. Yes, so you can also go ahead and create these books as digital products and upload them on Amazon KDP. Yes, so this is taking us to the step of how are you going to prepare your book, since you have seen that those books are real and they are on Amazon. So how are you going to prepare your own that it can also go to Amazon? And this is what you are going to do. What you need to do is to create your interior as a PDF in Canva. I've done so many videos on how you can create your book in Canva that you want to sell on Amazon. I'll link those videos in the description below so that you can watch them and see how you can create those books in Amazon. In Canva. So you can create it is in Canva. You choose the design that you want, maybe coloring pages, anything that you want. Then you create it as a PDF. Yes, in Canva, because on Amazon there's only one PDFs. Yes, and you can also go ahead to create your cover design, and you make sure that your pages fit. Yes, and also Amazon has its own sizes. For example, you can create 8.5 by 11, 7 by 10, or you can create 8.5 by 8.5 for those who are creating curling pages. So it depends on which size that you want to create. For example, if we come back here on Amazon, when you come back here on Amazon, you can see that this book, the dimension is 6 by these inches. So for example, if you want to create a book that is also something like this, then you can also use those same inches. So the good thing about this, that here on Amazon they will show you the book, the reading age, the how many pages are there, and the dimensions. So if you want to create something that is around this same niche, you can come here and see how many pages are there, what are the inches that these people are using, because these people are using these inches for a reason. That means in this type of book, these inches are really working good. Yes, so you can go ahead and create according to those inches, or you can use these ones that I have told you here. there because they are the most popular. So the next step is, how are you going to upload your book to KDP? Yes, that is the next step. Since you finish creating, you've created your interior design and your book cover. Now the next step is the step of uploading to Amazon KDP. And you can't upload to Amazon KDP without creating an Amazon KDP account. Yes, you might be maybe already having Amazon, but that doesn't mean that you can access KDP. So you have to create a separate account for Amazon KDP, because KDP is for publishing. Yes, so you have to create an account for Amazon KDP, and that's where you're going to upload your interior design and your cover. And when you upload them, then you also have to upload the title, the description, and the keywords. Actually, when you're uploading on Amazon KDP, what you put in first is your title, your description, and your keywords. Then after that, you can go in and upload your interior design and your cover. Yes, that's how it works on Amazon KDP. So you have to create the account first. Yes, actually, I will advise you, before even you create your book, you create your KDP account first, set it up, set in your payment details. Then you can go later into Canva and create the book that you want to create, so that when you finished creating the book, you just go straight ahead to upload it to Amazon KDP. Then this is the next step, and the next step is to price your book. Yes, the pricing of Amazon, this is how it works. They have a 70% royalties, and I think, is it 30? Maybe 30 or 35, I don't remember quite very well. Yes, but those are the royalties. And why is it like that? Because when you create this product, Amazon is not going to ask you for listing fees. Amazon is not going to ask you for shipping fees, or for for shipping fees, or for the paper that they are going to use, or the ink. They will do all that for you, and then after, they will give you a percentage of the money. For example, there are some people, maybe they have listed their book for $14. Some can get maybe 5%, $5. You can get maybe like $3, maybe if you listed your book for 9.99. So these are the major prices that most people use, as I've listed here, that you can list your product from 60 from 6.99 or 9.99. So it will depend according to the book that you have created. Is it a high content book, a low content book, or a medium content book? So it will depend according to that. So that's how you're going to go about your pricing. And this is taking us to our last step, publishing your book. So when you publish your book on Amazon, it will take 1 to 3 days for it to appear to Amazon.com. And why? Because Amazon KDP will go ahead and review your book to see if you have put in your title right, to see if your book has value, to see if you are not creating duplicated content that will run you in trouble. So if there is any mistake that you made in your book, Amazon, why I like it, Amazon KDP will send you an email, and it will be telling you the mistake that you made, that you should correct. So if there is any error, they can send you an email, and you can go ahead and correct it. So that's how you can go ahead and create your digital product and start selling it on Amazon KDP. So if this video has been of value to you, don't forget to comment, to like, to share, and subscribe. I've also created a free guide that helps you to start your digital product business. See you in the next video.